Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to add pagination using Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with the example. So you can see that I already downloaded fresh Laravel application over here and also install Livewire over here. So if you don't know how to set up and install, then I already captured previous video, then you can also look at that one. Okay, so now also I added database configuration over here. So you can see that there is already Livewire. Okay, and also you can see that I'll already install Laravel UI with authentication. Okay, now first of all what I will do, simply go here and create one component for display the user with the pagination. Okay, so simply clear it and I will say php artisan mac livewire and I will simply say users. Okay, and hit enter. You can see that it's created one class and there is a one blade file over here for a component. Okay, so now let me go here and first of all I will create one route over here to call component. So I will simply say users and here inside that I will say users and simply remove this one. Okay, and now let me go to the home controller. So let me go here and create one function over here that's called users, and here simply I will say return view and that's called users. Okay, and simple save it. Okay, and now let me go to the resource file and here I will create one file that's called users.blad.php. Okay, and simply copy the home file. Okay, and simply paste it and here I will simply say users and here I will simply say I will call livewire tag that component that what we have. So I will say livewire colon users and I simply say close it. Okay, and if I go here I will simply write one p tag over here. So I will simply say test it, save it. Okay, and now let me run it again the project. So I will say php artisan serve. Okay, and now if I go and here I will simply say users and hit enter, you can see that properly test with the, so you can see that livewire component is load over here. Okay, so what I will do the next, simply go here and inside the livewire class what I will do, I will simply use model. So that's called app models and user model. Okay, and I will add pagination. Okay, so simply use and I will simply say users. Okay, and I will do like user colon pagination for 5 user. Okay, so simply say 5 user and pagination, simply save it. Okay, and now what I will do, simply go to the livewire blade file over here and here I will simply say table. Okay, and here I will say class table and table bordered. Okay, and then I will simply say tr and here I will be add heading over here. So that's called id and here I will say name and I will simply say email. Okay, and here I will be add for each loop. So I will say for each and here I will be use users as a user and I will say and for each. Okay, and here I will do simply same tr. Okay, over here so I will say tr and here td. So that's I will add id name and email. Okay, so what I will do, simply id name and email. Okay, save it and at the end after the table I will simply display over here that's called users, what we done in Laravel core application. So I will say links, simply save it. Okay, and now if I go here and simply refresh it, yeah, you can see that pagination is undefined. So I will say sorry paginet. So if I go here and go to the livewire component, so I will say paginet. Okay, simply save it and refresh it. You can see that, but there is no pagination are coming because we have just 2 records. So I will create more records over here using tinker command. So I will say php artisan mac, sorry tinker. Okay, and here I will simply say user colon factory and here I will say create like 20 records and simply count it. Okay, you can see that there is a type of must be to user session. So Yeah, so I made a mistake. So again tinker, okay, and I will simply say user colon factory, okay, and here I will say count, and I will say 20 records, and simply I will say create. Okay, it's created a 20 records. So let me exit it and again run the project. So I will say php artisan serve. Okay, and if I hit refresh, you can see that there is a pagination also coming over here. Okay, and if I click on next, but you can see that page is reloading over here, you can see here. Okay, so what I will do, simply go here and there is a component that's called livewire with pagination that we need to use. So simply go here and here I will say use pagination, save it, okay, and refresh it. Okay, now you can see that better design, but I will also, you can see here now it's not reloading entire page. Okay, same thing I am using bootstrap. So what I will do, I will simply go here and I will say protected, and I will say pagination theme, and that's called bootstrap theme. Okay, so I will say bootstrap, save it. Okay, and now if I refresh it, you can see that proper design with the bootstrap. So that was by default Tailwind CSS theme, but you can see that how easily you can add the pagination. It just reload the DOM. Okay, it's not reloading entire page. Okay, so you can see that how easily we can do it. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.